Hello everyone, Archana here. I'm here with another beautiful springy collection, and it's a dancing bumblebees collection actually. So I'll show you the papers first. These papers are by the paper bouquet or boutique. It's called the collection called Bumblebees Dance. So it has basically it's a A4 size paper pad, and it has 40 sheets, 10 designs, and each of the paper is one-sided. So I'm glad it's not double-sided, and we have enough papers to create a very big beautiful album. So I'll show you the papers. So first 10 papers I'm going to show you, and then rest of them are the same. So you can see this beautiful cover, and purple and yellow, mustard yellow or honey yellow color always goes well with this purple color. So second page has this one. So basically we can see this as a wide like a horizontal paper pad. So you can see this one has very cute jar here, says honey and flowers. Very pretty beautiful flowers are these. Then next one, this has the border, very beautiful border, and this one is very bright and very nice page. Even you can use as it is for your picture, this frame. Then we have another frame, very cute, my goodness, so pretty, you can see. And then this one has these 3 honeybees are here. Even though you can fussy cut them for your project or decoration, since we have 4 sets of 10 papers, so why not fussy cut all these images and use it as a front decoration, or you want inside pages also, you can decor fussy cut images. And then this one has another beautiful frame, very cute. Oh my goodness, I love this collection. And you can see all bees all over around the bouquets, very cute, right? And then this one has this jar again, and you can fussy cut this jar as well. And these bees, small cute bees, so cute. And then this page has 2 spots for your pictures, and bees are around. And this is our first page. So these 10 pages repeating in 4 sets. And then along with this full 40 sheet A4 size collection, there is a matching set of these solid papers, and they are 24 sheets in 8 colors. You can see, I think I am not going to open this these pages, but you can see all the colors, and they meant for each other, so they are perfectly matched. And this one is included. And then I have added couple of these A4 chipboard pieces, so you can create your own album using them. And then to match this collection, I have beautiful flower set, but before that I'll show you this very cute die. This die is buzzing bees die, and it's by Jenny's Art, and it's very decent site. It's a find it collection, and you can see very decent size bee, honey bee. It's so cute when you cut it, it's so cute. I have ordered specially for this collection. And then I do have couple of 3 of these chipboard pieces. I have added this one, so you can cut this one as a honeycomb, like decorate your front page using this one. Then I have added this fantasy chipboard, very cute, right? And then we have this Krapnik chipboard, says bunch of flowers, so sweet, spring, and fairy tale. So very cute sentiments you can use for this collection. And then I have this very cute set of bees. How cute are those? I will see if I can open and show you. You can see how cute are those. These are metal charms, and they are 9 beads, I think 9 or 8. They are 8 beads. So cute. So these are in this kit, and then I'll show you all the flowers. So let's just move this one so I can show how match these flowers with this collection. So I have this yellow seam binding for this collection. Then I have 10 of these yellow blossoms. You can see, you can use it as it is, like a closed one, or you can just make it open. So when you open, it looks like a cherry blossom in very nice yellow color, bright yellow. I love yellow color, it's very happy color. Then we have this beautiful flowers. I have added so many flowers since spring is here, so we needed more flowers, right? So let's just move this right here. I have these very beautiful wild orchid craft flowers, these very nice colored, very light lilac-y color roses, where they are big roses, and they are perfectly goes with this one. You can see the color matches really nice. And then we have these darker color lilies. So when you use light colors, you need some darker colors to pop them up. And then we have exact same colored lilac rose birds. And then I have these small filler flowers in lilac blue color. And then I have added 10 of these leaves, and add these leaves here and there around your floral cluster. You can see how pretty is this one looking. Wow. So this kit called Bumble Bees Dance, and it's available right now. I have very limited kits. I usually have more of the additional supplies, but I couldn't get enough paper somehow, I don't know. But yes, I do have them right now available, so you can check it out, craftycity.com. There is link below in the description box. And I'll be back with another beautiful video for you, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.